So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it because I've been procrastinating this for almost 3 years now, this series. और जो राजमा चावल खाने के बाद में 21 पे जब AC चलता है उसका नशा एक था. We're heading into Devil's Presses now. This shit kills you on the inside, dude. Wait and watch. मोजा खरीदने आते हैं और जूता खरीद के चले जाते हैं. Hi guys, good morning. We are at the gym today. It's a Hyrox training day. I'll get into the details of the workout and after that I'll also do some hypertrophy movements just for that pump. So yeah, let's get to it. So we'll start with the 2-kilometer warm up at a pace of 6 minutes per kilometer. Just got done with the warm up and now it's time for the main workout, which is I'll run 400 meters, then straight into that pull, which will be 12.5 meters. After that, there'll be 20 lunges, 10 devil presses, and 20 wall balls. That's going to be the whole set, and I'll do 4 sets of these. I'll just quickly change into my plated shoes. I just used the Asics Kayano 33s for the warm up, and now I'll change into Puma Nitro DV8 Elite 4s. क्या? हाँ क्रेजी है. देखो कुछ वेट ही नहीं है. आई थिंक 140 ग्राम्स का शू है. इसका नॉन हायरॉक्स वाला वर्जन जो आता है ना, उसमें ये ग्रिप नहीं होता, बट रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सेम. सो वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. दिलीप के पास में है वो वाला जो एक पिंक और एक ब्लू रहता है. ले लो, प्यूमा अच्छा है. मतलब इसका जो नॉन हायरॉक्स वर्जन है वो, क्योंकि फिर आप उसको मैराथन में भी यूज़ कर सकते, बट अब उसको ट्रेनिंग में यूज़ नहीं कर पाओ. अब ये वाला मैंने वार्म अप में किया और अब इंटरवल्स के लिए मैं ये यूज़ करूँगा. तो बहुत बचा के चलना पड़ता है, क्योंकि जो उसका प्लेट है, अगर मतलब उसका डिस्टेंस पूरा हो जाता है तो फिर वो रिस्पॉन्स देना आपको बंद कर देगी. तो फिर कोई पॉइंट नहीं है शूज़ का. इसका मतलब मैक्स टू मैक्स 200-300 किलोमीटर वो रहता है. वो भी मतलब अगर आपका वेट कम है, बॉडी वेट, तो दिलीप का तो जैसे और जल्दी ख़त्म होगा. उसका तो 150 पे ही चला जाएगा. ईवो एस एल में प्लेट नहीं है, बहुत स्लिप करता है. मैंने यूज़ किया हुआ है. हाँ, वो तो इतना स्लिप होता है कि मतलब स्लेड पुल के टाइम पे तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाया. मेरे को 8.5 मिनट लग गया स्लेड पुल करने में. कौन सा वाला? मुंबई का. हाँ, तुम दोनों ही जा रहे हो? नहीं, मैं सोलो कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट इंटरवल इज डन. नाउ हेडिंग इनटू 20 wall balls. थोड़ा ऑर्डर गड़बड़ हो गया था बताने में, बट वी आर गोइंग टू wall balls now. I'm using a 9 kg ball, which is heavier than my race weight. My race weight is going to be 6 kgs. I've been told by my coach to use a heavier weight than race weight, so we do as he says. 20 wall balls going down. Wall balls done. We're heading into Devil's Presses now. This shit kills you on the inside, dude. See, wait and watch. Devil's presses are done. Now we head into burpee broad jumps. Wraps up set number 1. 3 more to go. Then with one more set. Didn't record that. I didn't want it to break. On to set number 3 now. Society, the fourth set is also done. The wall balls feel so easy now because I've been doing them almost yeah, I've been doing them daily. Daily 100 is what I've been doing. So I'm so comfortable on the wall balls now. But the devil's press never gets easier. And I did not do the sled pull because the ropes are not available. So instead I thought that I'll do sled push. I'll go unbroken for 50 meters and that'll be all for the workout. Then we'll go head out, do a contrast therapy session and देखते हैं फिर कुछ खाते वाते हैं because I also have an easy run in the evening, so I don't want to strain too much. I'm trying the Hunter McIntyre way this time for sled pushes, which is going up and going low. So let's see what's the difference. This does feel much more easy. I'm literally sprinting, it feels. The weights have never moved this easy. I'll just do 3 more sets of 6 to 8 reps of bench press and kneeling Arnold press, and that'll be a wrap for the workout. The sleds surprisingly moved so very smoothly. मजा आ गया. Now we head to the next stage. सारे खड़े नंगे लाइन से. Seven minutes in the steam and 30 seconds in the ice bar. We do 3 rounds of this. This is not going to be this comfortable, but आज पानी उतना ठंडा नहीं है इसलिए मैं आराम से बैठ पा रहा हूँ. वरना कितनी फट जाती है. आज सूर्या भाई को मैं ये दिला दिखा रहा हूँ. The recovery contrast therapy is done. It is 11 a.m. Mostly I'll go to South Bombay and go sit at some good cafe, have some good coffee and work. Back home now and खाना order किया है, so I'm just waiting for my usual. If you have been on this channel, you know what's my usual. So just waiting for that and I'll have it with 2 scoops of protein. वो खा के फिर निकलते हैं वापस. तब तक I'll just shower and change. Order करना रह गया bro, but राजमा चावल on top. Now चलो भाई. ये मत डालो. Now we'll head out and let's go sit somewhere. I repeat, सारे नशे एक तरफ और जो राजमा चावल खाने के बाद में 21 पे जो एसी चलता है उसका नशा एक तरफ. गुड मॉर्निंग. It smells so good in here. It smells so good, and the overall vibe is also crazy. बोला काम कर रहा है फिर ऐसे लोग होते हैं. Shout out average. So I'm sitting here in Subco and I have like a couple of tasks on my list. I need to do a few scripts, then some branded scripts as well. और उसके अलावा I have a series which I'm planning. So I want to scout locations जहाँ पे मैं उसकी shoot कर सकता हूँ. It's going to be about running and you know how to start from absolute bare basics, from something as simple as how to tie your laces. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it because I've been procrastinating this for almost 3 years now. I wanted to start this series when I started posting content. So yeah, I think now is the time. Take a moment to appreciate how beautiful my workplace is, bro. Absolutely love coming and sitting here because it is just white noise in the background of coffee being brewed, like fresh coffee, and while I do my thing and sip on coffee. So this is the place which I had been gatekeeping for the longest, but now it's out. Just look at all of this, dude. When this is your view, how can someone not be hungry all the time? It's been like I'll write everything down kind of a person instead of, you know, I'll make notes or something like that. This is my diary and like it is just old school check boxes just filled. And this is the place where I script. This is the place where I ideate. All the concepts that you see on my page originate from here and now here as well. That's Substack. I've been recently introduced to Substack and bro, I've been loving reading non-AI stuff. A quick change of space because my back was hurting there. I also need to edit 2 reels because कल post होनी है वो and I need them ready. I'm scripting on something which I get asked about the most, which is what is your height? I have a lot to say on this topic and I know why people ask this and where do they come from. So I'm just trying to make a reel on that and what can you derive from it and where does that lead to. Dude, I wasn't supposed to order this, but this looks so good. I could not resist. By French toast hai, and all of this is cherries and some, I don't know what is this, but yeah, it looks tasty at least. It is almost 7:30 now. I've been here for I don't know how many hours, but almost got done with all of my tasks for the day. But I got a little too late for the run, so I think I might have to skip it. If that's the case, then obviously I'm going to get that run in tomorrow morning. I've been sitting here for how many hours? I came here at I think 1:30. So yeah, do your math. Feels so good, dude. Doing something you genuinely love doing. When the pursuit is so close to your heart, the time just fades away. Like I had no clue it's 7:30 right now, and plus there are no windows here, so I have no idea that the sun has set already. But yeah, it's fun. 8:30 बजे निकल रहा है बंदा बाहर. रात हो गई है भाई. थोड़े से पैसे आते नहीं हैं कि लोग पहुंच जाते हैं A6 के शोरूम जूते खरीदने. नोवा ब्लास्ट 6 की तैयारी चल रही है. सम्राट इज इन्फ्लुएंस. आप ट्राई करो सर. लग तो अच्छे रहे हैं. वर्डिक्ट. न्यू बैलेंस पहने हैं बट अंदर से ऐसी जगह से जितना जल्दी बाहर निकलो ना उतना आपकी जेब के लिए अच्छा होता है. मोज़ा खरीदने आते हैं और जूता खरीद के चले जाते हैं. It is 9 p.m. right now and I'm just on my way back home. This was my 5 to 9 as such. It's just that I missed my easy run because it took me too long to get out of the cafe because the work was still undone. But anyways, we'll get that completed tomorrow. And yeah, that's all for this one. And let me know how you like it or not. Any suggestions are most welcome. That's all for this one. See you in the next. Bye-bye.